In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your location on Behance. If you're looking to connect with other creatives in your area or make sure your work gets more visibility in regional searches, updating your location can be a quick and effective way to do that. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Behance account. Head over to the website and enter your login information to get access to your profile. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your avatar, which is essentially your profile picture or initial. Go ahead and click on this avatar. A drop-down menu will appear, providing a few different options related to your account settings. Select the option that says Edit Profile Info. Clicking this will lead you to a new page where you can adjust the various aspects of your profile. Now that you've got the profile editing screen open, let's move on to the next step, which is to edit the location. In your Settings menu, navigate to the section labeled either Profile or Basic Information. It's here that you'll find a field specifically for your location. This field will include both your country or region and your specific city or town. To begin, click on the drop-down menu within the location field to select your country or region. This drop-down is convenient because it ensures that you list your country consistently with the way Behance categorizes geographic data. Once you've selected your country, start typing your city or town in the location field. You'll notice that as you type, Behance generates a suggested list of cities or towns for you to choose from. This is particularly helpful because, by selecting from this list, you ensure that your location is recognized consistently across the Behance platform. Make sure to click on a suggestion from the list rather than manually typing it out. This small step is important because it helps ensure your location data is properly linked with regional search filters and geographic tags. Finally, here's a little tip that makes Behance user-friendly. The platform saves your changes automatically. So, after selecting your city or town, all you need to do is click outside of the location field. This action will prompt Behance to save your new location automatically without requiring any additional action from you. It's just that simple. Updating your location on Behance can significantly improve your profile's effectiveness in regional searches, helping you connect more easily with local creatives and potential collaborators. And there you have it. A straightforward way to make sure your profile is up to date with your current location. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.